Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring Chrome is installed and current because behavior differs by version. Open Chrome and sign in if you want synced preferences. Next, set Chrome as your system's default browser so links route there automatically. On Windows, use Settings Apps Default Apps. On Mac OS, use System Settings Desktop and Dock Default Web Browser. Once done, make sure any URL handlers or third-party apps that claim links are disabled. That prevents redirects away from Chrome. Now focus on where links originate, because some apps override defaults. In email and messaging apps, find link behavior settings and choose Use System Default or Open in Browser. If an app forces its internal viewer, long press, or right-click a link to copy and paste into Chrome, that's a reliable fallback. On Android, check App Intents and clear defaults for the offending app. On iOS, use the Share menu and pick Chrome if available. Or install the Chrome extension that enables Open. Finish by testing links from email, chat, PDF, and documents to confirm they open in Chrome. If some still open elsewhere, clear defaults for the misbehaving app. On Android, tap the app Open by default clear defaults. On Windows, reset default apps for HTTP/HTTPS. If problems persist, reboot the device and, as a last resort, reinstall either Chrome or the app that intercepts links. One key tip: always recheck default browser after major OS updates because updates can flip defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.